Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto and tech insights. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is based on my personal experience, so your mileage may vary. KeepKey versus MetaMask, which crypto wallet reigns supreme? In this video, we'll dissect the features, use cases, and advantages of KeepKey and MetaMask wallets to help you determine the best fit for your crypto needs. KeepKey is a hardware wallet engineered for offline security and the long-term storage of your digital assets. It provides robust protection by storing your private keys offline and employing PIN authentication, coupled with a recovery seed for backup. Supporting over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, KeepKey offers a straightforward user experience and integrates with Shapeshift, enabling secure asset trading directly within the wallet. This wallet is tailored for users prioritizing security and simplicity, especially long-term holders or those managing smaller, well-defined portfolios. However, KeepKey lacks advanced features such as staking, DApp support, or multi-chain compatibility, potentially limiting its appeal to active traders or DeFi enthusiasts. MetaMask, conversely, is a software wallet renowned for its accessibility and seamless integration with decentralized applications, DApps, and the broader Ethereum ecosystem. Supporting Ethereum and compatible blockchains, along with tokens based on ERC20 and similar standards, MetaMask excels in connecting users to decentralized exchanges, DeFi platforms, and NFT marketplaces. This makes it an invaluable tool for individuals deeply involved in blockchain activities. Available as a browser extension and mobile app, MetaMask offers convenient access to your assets. However, as a hot wallet, it relies on online storage, introducing potential hacking risks. While MetaMask offers a reasonable level of security for a software wallet, it can't rival the offline security provided by a hardware wallet like KeepKey. To summarize, KeepKey is the ideal choice for users seeking maximum security for long-term crypto storage. MetaMask, on the other hand, caters to those requiring active engagement with DeFi, DApps, and NFT ecosystems. The ultimate decision hinges on your priorities: offline security versus blockchain functionality and convenience. Explore both wallets further using the links in the description below and decide which one best aligns with your crypto management needs.